In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Walmart credit card bill online, full tutorial. We'll walk through paying your Walmart credit card bill through the official Synchrony portal, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and going to walmart.syf.com. Make sure you're on the correct site before entering any information. You should see the Synchrony branded Walmart credit card page with a secure connection indicator in your address bar. On the home page, select Pay as Guest. This option lets you make a one-time payment without signing into an account, which is quick and convenient if you just need to take care of your bill. You'll be prompted to enter a few details to locate your account. Type in your Walmart credit card number carefully, exactly as it appears on your card. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. This helps verify your identity for the guest payment. Then, add your billing zip code. Double-check these fields for accuracy to avoid any verification errors. Click. Continue to proceed. The system will match your details and bring you into the payment flow. Once your account is located, you'll see your Walmart card listed on the screen, typically within an account's area or summary view. Select your Walmart card to open the account dashboard. Here you'll find your current balance, the minimum payment due, and your due date. This overview is helpful for deciding how much you want to pay today. Choose Make a Payment or Pay Bill. This opens the payment form where you'll set your payment details. First, choose the payment amount. You can usually select the minimum due, the statement balance, or enter another amount. If you're avoiding interest, paying the full statement balance by the due date is best, but choose what fits your situation. Next, choose your payment source. This is typically a checking or savings account you use for online bill pay. Select the appropriate option and follow any prompts on screen. Then, pick your payment date. You can submit a payment for today or schedule it for an upcoming date before your due date. Keep in mind that same-day payments may have a cutoff time. If it's past the cutoff, schedule for the next available business day. Before finalizing, review all of your information carefully. Amount, bank account, and date. When everything looks right, confirm your payment. Wait for the confirmation screen and save the confirmation number for your records. That's it. Your Walmart credit card payment is submitted safely and securely.